PS CS6 101, Adobe Photoshop CS6 software download. Adobe Photoshop CS6, released in 2012, is a powerful image editing software with a wide range of features. Here's an overview of its features, known issues, fixes, pro tips, and alternatives. Features: 1. Content-aware tools. Content-aware patch and content-aware move tools allow users to intelligently fill in selected areas with surrounding content. 2. Improved crop tool. Enhanced cropping options with rule of thirds overlay and straighten tool. 3. Blur gallery, offers various blur effects such as field blur, iris blur, and tilt shift. 4. Adobe Camera Raw 7, enhanced controls for raw image processing. 5. Vector layers, create vector shapes and work with them alongside raster layers. 6. Adaptive wide angle filter, correct lens distortions and straighten objects in panoramas. 7. Auto and background saving, helps in preventing data loss due to unexpected shutdowns. 8. Adobe Mercury Graphics Engine, provides faster performance for some tools and effects. 9. Updated interface, sleeker dark interface for better visibility and focus on the image. 10. Enhanced 3D editing, improved 3D capabilities with better controls and rendering. Cons: 1. No subscription model. Unlike newer versions of Photoshop, CS6 doesn't offer subscription-based licensing, meaning you won't receive regular updates or support from Adobe. 2. Compatibility issues. As newer operating systems and hardware are released, compatibility issues may arise with CS6. 3. Limited camera support. Camera raw updates are not available for CS6, so support for newer camera models may be lacking. 4. Lack of new features. Since CS6 is an older version, it lacks the latest features and improvements found in newer versions of Photoshop. ##### Known issues and fixes. 1. Crashing. Some users may experience crashes, which can sometimes be fixed by updating graphics drivers or reinstalling Photoshop. 2. Performance issues. Sluggish performance may occur on older hardware or when working with large files. Closing unnecessary programs and optimizing Photoshop settings may help. 3. Compatibility. Ensure that CS6 is compatible with your operating system and hardware configurations. Pro tips for using Photoshop CS6. 1. Learn keyboard shortcuts. Mastering keyboard shortcuts can significantly speed up your workflow. 2. Use adjustment layers. Utilize adjustment layers for non-destructive editing and easy tweaking of settings. 3. Experiment with layer styles. Layer styles like drop shadows, strokes, and gradients can add depth and dimension to your designs. 4. Customize workspaces. Tailor Photoshop's interface to your workflow by creating custom workspaces. 5. Explore filters and blend modes. Experiment with various filters and blend modes to achieve unique effects and enhancements. Alternatives: 1. Adobe Photoshop CC, the most recent version of Photoshop with subscription-based licensing, regular updates, and cloud integration. 2. Affinity Photo, a powerful alternative with similar features to Photoshop, available for a one-time purchase without subscription. 3. GIMP, a free, open-source image editor with a wide range of features, though its interface may be less intuitive for some users compared to Photoshop. 4. Corel Paint Shop Pro, offers a comprehensive set of editing tools and is available as a one-time purchase. 5. Pixelr, a web-based image editor with both free and paid versions, suitable for basic to intermediate editing tasks. Before choosing an alternative, consider your specific needs, budget, and desired level of functionality. Each software has its own strengths and weaknesses, so it's essential to evaluate them based on your requirements.